Simple affordable house designs. Philippines. Tumultuous as its current political landscape may be, and despite a presently struggling foreign exchange rate, the Philippines continues to have one of the fastest growing economies in Southeast Asia. It reportedly increased by 6.5% in the second quarter of 2017, resulting in improved spending power for many Filipinos, including property buyers or investors looking to build their homes from the ground up. Like in most other countries, house design in the Philippines reflects its history and culture, as well as the aforementioned financial advances experienced by Filipinos. A key contributor to the economy, the local real estate market is one of the most competitive in Asia. Housing here is relatively low-priced, making it fairly easy to find a home suited for almost any lifestyle and budget, or choosing to build a completely new home with one of the following popular designs. Commonly known in the West as terraced houses or row houses, the townhouses are often inaccurately referred to as row houses or door apartments here in the Philippines. Townhouses are common in urban areas because it requires relatively smaller lot areas, per unit, compared to traditional houses and lots, making it the most viable option for property seekers with budgets that are not enough for large properties but would prefer to not live in a condominium unit. Along with being more economical, townhouses are also popular rental properties, with many starting families often opting to buy or lease townhouses before moving into larger properties later on. The livability of townhouses have been furthered by their commonly prominently featured in subdivisions with central locations and featuring a myriad of amenities. The term minimalism was coined for home design during the late 1960s, and was mainly used to describe architecture that uses natural and pared-down design elements highlighted by simple silhouettes and lines. Minimalist homes have gained popularity over the years in the Philippines, likely due to how it fuses perfectly with our traditional architecture with its color palette of earthy tones like rich browns, ecru, and brassy colors. In addition to this, minimalism is also literal in nature, as the style also aims to make the most of limited space, addressing typical residential problems like clutter and having to make do with smaller than average